How to add workplace on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply click on your name, which will lead you to your profile. In here, click on three dots. After you click on three dots in your profile, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Edit at the top. After you have clicked on Edit at the top, scroll down in here and you will find Work option. Simply click on Workplace. After that, in here, click on Add Work again. After you click on Add Work in here, simply add your workplace name at the top. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Add your job title, location, describe your work, and if you currently work here, turn on, and you can also add since. After that, press on save at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to add workplace on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.